Hi everyone, my name is linfray. I'm from 7G class. My accent is 26 and today I want to tell you how to make fried rice. The ingredient is egg, rice, 2 cloves garlic, 2 cloves red onions, mushroom bud, salt, sweet soy sauce, and the tool is knife, cutting board, spoon, plate, spatula, and pan. First, peel the garlic and red onions. And chop the garlic and red onion.
called